so next up, we are going to take a look at the May stamp release. So the May stamp release, these are shipping to me tomorrow. So I will have them next week. So I have my samples. They've been in production for the last 2 weeks, and they are shipping to me tomorrow. So if you've already placed a pre-order for the stamps, they are they're on the way. So next week, Mimi, yeah, it can have something to do with the chemicals in it for sure. All right. So let's take a look at the first one. The first one is a new 3x3 with a little Reggie hair. Yours won't have Reggie hair on it. This is a little 3x3 mini icon summer stamp set. So I believe this is the 5th in the line of the mini icon series. The mini icon stamps always have 12 little mini icons for whatever the theme is, in this case summer, and then also a definition. Okay, so you've got a fun little lemon with a little lemon slice, a beach ball, picnic table, butterfly, swimsuit, sun and clouds, little ice cream, a kite, a little drink with ice cubes, kind of a little Volkswagen van, a little tree, and then a like a beach umbrella. So those are the brand new summer mini icons. Next up, we have Days of the Week. So the Days of the Week set is a 4x4 stamp set. Days of the week, you have the 7 days of the week that I have handwritten. All right, so that is what they look like. And it's so weird for me to see that because that's just my handwriting, right? So 7 days of the week, and that is the brand new 4x4 Days of the Week stamp set. Alrighty, this one, it was interesting. I had a feeling I should do this, and it has sold far better than I thought. I shouldn't say better. I've sold far more than I thought I would, because it's kind of an extension of a stamp that has been around for a long time. And that is the new 4x6 Just My Type stamp set. So the Just My Type stamp set has a very large typewriter on it. That is the same typewriter that has been around probably for about 3 years now in the news stamp set. But I started thinking, you know what, that typewriter's been super popular, but there's probably people that didn't buy in the news stamp set, because if you're not doing in the news lists like we do, then it probably wouldn't apply to you. I decided to release this now because of let's take a look at that, because of the typewriter die that I released last month. So that typewriter metal die also works with, what am I doing here? Let's just pull this out the right way. It also, oh my goodness, what have I done? There we go. The typewriter die now also works. That is the original typewriter stamp from the In the News stamp set. And then this is the new typewriter stamp. Don't mind that. That's just me I'm trying to stamp too quickly, with the Just My Type stamp set. So both of those work with that typewriter die. Now, because I didn't just want to release a little typewriter and that was all, kind of made sense to add some things to that stamp. So you have a lot of different little sentiments that you can add with that little typewriter, as if your typewriter is typing out those sentiments. So, you're my type of friend, happy birthday, going old school, another year older, sending hugs, you're not old, you're vintage, congratulations, thank you, vintage and cool, hello, just my type, let's wipe that out and try again, the next chapter starts here, just a note, so this happened, thinking of you, checking in, and hey there. Hi Marilee, how was open house night? So, I want to show you a fun little example, actually 2 fun little examples of something that you could do with that Just My Type stamp set. Now, this birthday card was sent to me by Diane Jenkins, and she sent this to me probably 2 years ago. She stamped the little typewriter on yellow cardstock. She fussy cut it out because we didn't have the die back then. And then look at what she did. She just on her little computer typed happy birthday a bunch of times on a regular paper and then put it into the typewriter like it's typing out a little happy birthday card. I loved that idea. So I kind of took that now with the new stamp set and made another version of that same card. So there's the little typewriter. this fun, cute little dog. The paper and the dog are from the Let's Celebrate collection. And then I just stamped "You're my type of friend" over and over and over, and there you go. So kind of a fun idea with your little typewriter. You could really do any type of card that way. You could do a Christmas card, you could do a "sorry you're not feeling well" card, you could do a sympathy card, you could do a congratulations card, a wedding card, just by basically changing whatever you're putting there. So that's kind of fun. And that is the new 4x6 Just My Type stamp set. That also coordinates with that typewriter die that is now back in stock. That's been back in stock maybe for a couple weeks now, if you were waiting for that to come back in stock. All right, then we have another 4x6. This one is called All Smiles. 4x6 stamp set, All Smiles. So with All Smiles, lots of different just fun sayings. This made me smile, loving this, joy, my little hand-drawn smiley face, happy, this is exciting, little word there, H-E double hockey sticks, yes, right? Yes, please, yep, kind of a big deal, totally obsessed, living my best life, you go girl, my happy place, enjoying this, smile big, go me, good stuff, worth it, I did it, oh happy day, all feels, keep smiling the best, made my day, proud of this. So a lot of times we'll do lists about things that made you happy or things that made you smile. So this is a great set to use with that. This is also a great set to use in your regular scrapbooking, great for card making, great for other lists where you just want to have maybe a little sentiment or two. Maybe you're talking about your favorite movies and you want to add a thumbs up or a so good or loving this or something like that. So that is the All Smiles 4x6 stamp set. Now, not every day is sunshine and rainbows, right? So, if I did All Smiles, I had to kind of do the opposite. And this one is called Bad Day, okay? So All Smiles to document the good things and Bad Day to maybe document the not so good things, all right? So as we look at that, and I'm actually going to bring All Smiles in side by side, you will see they basically are following the same format. This made me smile. This made me mad. Joy, ugh. Happy face, sad face. Now oh yes, Carol said that All Smiles stamp set is perfect for documenting your Aurora's adventures, right? Seeing the Northern Lights, absolutely. I think that's what you meant, Carol, right? I think that's what you meant. All right, now, Bad Day. So let's talk a little bit more about Bad Day. No filter, swearing helps, chin up, Buttercup. Seriously? I don't mean to be rude, but thumbs down, drama, no, just no, nope. Yeah, no, not feeling it. Is it tomorrow yet? This sucks. Meh, not okay. Now, this one has a couple of words. So I won't say what the words are, but you'll be able to read what the words are. If it's something that you would not stamp on a project or stamp on a card, then you just wouldn't use a couple of those stamp sets. But sometimes swearing helps, right? So this one, same blank, different day, right? Same, different day, happening over and over and over. This is not a swearing one, but not my circus, not my monkeys. I love that saying. I love this saying too. It's fine, I'm fine, everything's fine. And really, it's not. Here you have that word that has a little asterisk right there, the like hockey puck, but with an F instead of a P, but it doesn't really say it. It has a little asterisk where the U is, so we're being a little bit, softer with that. And then this one, the blank show, kind of like the ticket, the admit one pink ticket on the vinyl sticker that we saw earlier. Same thing, but in a stamp, okay? So you have All Smiles and you have Bad Day. So buy this one, buy them together. Or maybe you're like, man, I like this, but not this, or not this, but this. But there we go. Suck it up, Buttercup. Or chin up, Buttercup, right? That's another one. Chin up, Buttercup, or suck it up, Buttercup. Tomato, tomato. All right, the last one. So this is the 6th in the series, not in the series. I guess it's the 6th in the release. of the May stamps. This one is a 6x8 stamp set, and this one is called This Is Us, all right? So let's take a look at this one. You should have one that says, I'm not crying, you're crying. Oh, that's a good one too. So you guys, there's, there's plenty of opportunity for more stamps down the road. Narrowing it down to kind of the first release was difficult. So I have loads of other sentiments, both on the good side and on the bad side. I should say good. On the all smiles side and then on the bad days side. So more to come on both of those. More to come on both of those. So This Is Us. This Is Us 6x8 stamp set. So I just started playing. All right, I started playing with this stamp set. This Is Us is meant for you to document us. And you decide who us is. Us can be a couple. Us can be a family. Us can be an extended family. You have little, what I call potty people, okay? So potty people, I call them potty people because they're the people that you see, the icons that you typically see on a public restroom door. So you know which is which, all right? So you have I won't even say can be a woman. This could be a girl, or however you want to take it. This person identifies as female. Well, I shouldn't even say that. This person has a skirt on. You can tell I'm trying to be politically correct, right? So this one has a skirt on, and it is taller than this one that has a skirt on and a bow in its hair. You decide how you want to use those. Over here, we have a person that does not have a skirt on. And then we have a smaller person that does not have a skirt on. So I put all those separate so you can build whatever us is. Us could be a family. That is a family of 4. Little person, no skirt. Taller person, skirt. Taller person, no skirt. Taller person, skirt. You can put 2 skirts together to represent an us. You can put 2 no skirts together to represent an us. You can have 3 small no pants people. No, they have pants on. No skirts people. Oh my goodness. Yeah. You guys, I'm trying to be politically correct because it was important to me that This Is Us could represent whatever us is to you. You could have 4 little people with skirts on. 4 smaller people. Oh my goodness, shush up, Layle. I just need to move on. You could have a large with skirt, small with skirt, large no skirt, small no skirt. The smallers, I wanted to have their little hands extended so that they could be holding hands with the big people or the little people or whatever it could be. Nancy, you won a gift certificate, but you haven't heard back. Nancy, I'm fairly certain. Now, it's possible because I've been really sick, but I'm fairly certain I responded back to everyone. So do me a favor. Double check your junk and spam folder to see if it landed in there, if my response landed in there. If it did not, please shoot me a email or resend your email and I will watch for it, okay? Because like I said, I'm pretty sure I got everybody. But I wouldn't want to forget anyone. WTAF, that's a good one. That is a good one. did I put WTF on there? Hang on. I did not. So WTF could be another one. WTAF, actual, yes. Okay, so we have the little people. In addition to the people, you also have party of, that is 1 stamp. And then you have all of these individual numbers. So your party could be, your us could be party of 4. Your us could be party of 28. Maybe that's an extended family or another type of family. But you can define with the party of and then the numbers how many people are in us, right? It could even be a group of friends. It doesn't have to be like a family or people related. So you have party of 4. You have this really fun large love with the LOVE and the O being the heart. You have this fun little house-ish kind of thing that says love us. That little seal that says so happy together. And with that little seal, your smaller little people can fit within the little seal. Happily ever after, happy place, This Is Us, our story, so happy together, I love us. I love us, I've paired with 2 people, but I love us could pair with however many people you want based on the large or the small or the ones with skirts or ones without skirts. Love these people. And that I've stamped 4 different times just to kind of make a little grouping there. And this little guy, I did a mask. So I masked off those letters to just put the heart in our story. Love this. Established and add a little heart there. One of my favorite stamps in the set is this little row of hearts. So in one stamp, there are 8 little hearts in a row. So you stamp that once, and then you have a single heart stamp. So you can decide to color your little row of hearts however you want. I stamped black first in that row of 8, and then took my little single heart and then kind of changed the colors. So I did that way, but then also did this, where I stamped that set 8 once and then 8 twice, and then just made a little border by stamping my little red hearts. You have some word strips as well. This life, our story, moments, I love us. So lots of different stamps there. Karen, us can mean family, friends, coworkers, group. It can mean anything, whatever us is. Now, I didn't put any pets on here, but it could still also be your pets, right? Pets are part of your family. Happily ever after does not have to mean being married, right? It doesn't have to mean a couple. It can mean family. It can mean whatever it is. So this stamp set has been in the works for quite a while. This stamp set is also part of a brand new Traveler's Notebook project kit that is available for pre-order. It will start shipping next week when the stamps come in stock, because this is part of that kit. That kit is called This Is Us, and it is meant for you to document in a Traveler's Notebook with all the fun parts and pieces, us. And again, whatever us is to you. All right. So that is the 6th of the new stamp sets for the May release. They are available either a la carte, so one by one, or they are available in a bundle. So you can buy all 6, and when you buy all 6, you get a little bit of a discount.